to my amazing YouTube channel. It's a girl, Moya Soluwa, and I'm on my way to the mountain. Hello guys, and welcome to another exciting episode on Life Lessons with Mo. Hey guys, so today I went to the field. Please ignore the socks that is popping out of my trousers. I was in such a hurry because I was supposed to be in the field by exactly 6:45. So for my project, I usually go to the field to take stock of plants and animals. So it's supposed to be for dry season and rainy season. And today I started the one for rainy season. And the idea is just to have a list of the plant and animal species found on that site so that I can propose the site for sustainable conservation, to talk about how important it is and the importance. So today when we got to the field, it was so hard for us to get bikes to take us up so we can climb up the mountain. It wasn't funny. Then guess what? When we climbed the mountain, it was so foggy that we thought about going backwards. So from now, just say backward. We thought about going back. Okay, so from now I'm going to show you video clips of every other thing we did in the field.
So foggy. Somebody enter here and I can lost. Should we go back? We should go inside. So everywhere is so foggy. We cannot see the front. We don't know if we should advance or if we should retreat. So how are we going to be walking on rainy season? With all this sound that even not because I've been doing beds, all this sound that's looking like witchcraft.
So we saw this bush rat, very big, sweet-looking bush rat that these guys already caught and they were roasting. I thought to show you guys. What do you think?
Dearly beloved, I'm coming down from Mount Party alone. Why? I told my when I told the zoologist, I told Mr. Matthew, sir, let us wait for bus, man. This FM bus. He said, as I take the bus, let's be trekking down. I said, no, Allah. Is that all? We now saw jeep. Sir, let's wait for jeep. Yes, sir, let's wait for jeep so I can see my face. He said, do we know when it's coming? Let's be going. Guess what? We're not going. Then, no, we're still walking slowly. I'll just be made. We now saw bike. The bike man now do me hand like this. Me, I'm now like, are you going to go and come? Obviously, the man was going to go and come back. I told Mr. Matthew, okay, go and come back. That's how Mr. Matthew now refused to go. He's now viewing all the birds, butterfly, all the wishy town. That I don't know where he's viewing them from. Me, I now have me that let's trek. And they trek and he's still there back. If we do not see cat today, like I'll reach down, take bike and go and leave him up. But if you see, she come and look at him at the back. He's still there. It's like he wants to come. He will not hear sound. He will not go back. Anyway, guys. So this is my Mount Party experience. For those of you that don't understand, I usually go to Mount Party for my project. So the top of the mountain is my leg's already pinning me. That's my that's where I'm supposed to get data from. Like that's my project site, right? I'm doing conservation, so I'm trying to look at the plants and animals that can be found in the area so that I can propose sustainable conservation. You get? So that's the idea. If I can just jump from up to down, sit down. See, okay, you can sit. I'm really scared. Down is down. This thing you're seeing. I can just jump, then jump another one. My work has finished. So I'm supposed to propose it for sustainable conservation. So I have to climb up before I go into the bush. So now climbing up is not the issue, because when I finish climbing up, I'll now enter inside the bush, and man, that is not funny. It's not funny in any way. But my mind is telling me that when I reach up today, I may not see walk to walk. God, just to go for me, I'll see walk to walk. But I'm just trying to say, you get. It's been long. I didn't come throughout the month of April. I was just telling myself that the rain was not enough. I'd done for dry season. That's from January to March. So I needed enough rain. Wow, look at that, it's so pretty. Let me record using the back camera so that you can see. Oh God, it's not looking as pretty as it is like using my eyes. It's prettier than inside the phone. Oh, even if I zoom it, wow, this life. Maybe I need I'm hearing car. That means this man has entered car and dropped me after on my mouth. But this is not so far. Something I can walk on. This man was telling me let's walk. Okay, and that reason why I didn't want to walk. The reason why I didn't want to walk is that if we should walk down, he'll be walking very fast. And me, that fast walking is not for me. I like taking my time. See the way I'm walking now at my own pace. You get? Ha! Sir! You have climbed bike. You left me. Ha! I'm catching crew. He's coming on bike. But I want to get to where they can park. They can't park on this slope. Look at them. Guess what? You know what just happened? The fish that carried him said he cannot carry two. I'm left here trekking alone. I can't believe this. I don't believe it. Are you coming back? Okay. Thank you. Guess what? I can't believe this. Like, how can my supervisor leave me alone in the bush? He said, the bike man said he cannot carry two. So he wanted to drop for me, but there's still someone to drop for me looking at you like, Chenny, respect. Can't respect me and allow me to take the bike. What? Who does something like this? Hey, wow. Let me show you guys how I'm jumping through. Oh my God, my legs are aching. Oh God, I can't believe I'm trekking through this place. Like, if you've been to my party, it's almost 10 tons. My shoe is soaked because, like I told you now, we're not just climbing the mountain. We're not going to climb the mountain. That's not part of my work. I'll not enter inside the field. That's where my work is. And then enter inside the field. Inside. Jesus, you know I saw stone. But I thought it was one animal. I was scared. Hey, what God cannot do does not exist. So a migon, Moyo solo, I can trek this thing. Alone for that matter. I don't even fear. What God cannot do, it does not exist. But I think it's because I'm making a video. People must watch this video. I wait. It's not because I've been studying birds. It's all this sound of birds. They sound like witchcraft. But anyway, he that is in me is greater than he that's in the world. The greater one lives in me. 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 I also had breakfast. I think that's why I have ginger. You will not believe I left my house 7 a.m. And this is 10:56, and I'm still on the mountain. Oh my God, the greater one lives in me. 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 I can do all things through Christ who gives me the strength. I can do all things through Christ who gives me the strength. I can do all things through Christ who gives me the strength. I can do all things. But I found bike, so no more trekking the trek. My legs are already shaking anyways. But I think it was fun while it lasted. So let's do this some other time. This was an amazing vlog, and at least if you can't take anything, you should learn that the greater one lives in you.
So see how far we have come, and we are still on bike, and I'm going on bike. So you can imagine how far I've been trekking. I told you it's like 7 tons. Wait, did I just say 7? I'm sure I'll be up to 14. What's 14? I'll count it one of these days when I come around. Anyways, we come here on my teenagers ending of this month on 7th of May. That's Visionary Teens International. So I may just make a vlog and take you guys along. I'm sure you're enjoying this video, and at least you're getting to know that there's somewhere called Mount Party in the local Jakobi state. So look at all the places I would have been trekking through. What God cannot do does not exist. Momo, your solo. It's me that want to trek all this trek. And it's not that far again. I have even gone far. I have reached down. Anyway, God be saving people's lives. It's 1 million years ago. So actually, this is now our average Lokoja weather. This is one of those days that the weather is just very cool and very nice and friendly. On your norms, the sun would have been so hot that if you are not careful, you'd have said to feel what or understand what it means for someone to go to hellfire. We've not still reached the foot of the mountain. So we're almost there. We're not far from it anymore. You may be wondering what happened when I was climbing. I did not climb, I took bike up. And to think I was waiting for lifts, and I've come down, the lifts have not still come. So I would have been dried, and I've been stuck on top of that mountain. My God. Can you imagine that I still forgot to count how many tons? Close. I think one more turn and I'll be there. You know, since I'm recording, it's not looking like there are lots of turns or bends, but there are actually a whole lot. I just said one turn. I think it's 2. Yeah, I'm close. Since you can, yeah, that's the gates. I don't know if you can see the gates from here, but I'm close to my destination. You can see the gates now. You see goodbye from our party. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and do leave a comment and let me know what you think.